In today's pursuit of high-quality audio, a suitable audio cable often determines whether the soul of music can be perfectly conveyed. Today, we'll introduce you to an audio cable highly praised by audio enthusiasts, the XLR female to 2 RCA male audio cable. In terms of interfaces, this audio cable combines an XLR female connector with 2 RCA male connectors, satisfying the needs of professional recording equipment while also being compatible with home theater and other devices. Whether it's a recording studio or living room, it handles it all with ease. Connecting devices with this audio cable is a breeze. Just plug the XLR female connector into the output port of your recording device or mixing console, and then connect the 2 RCA male connectors to the input ports of your speaker or amplifier. It's quick and easy, with no complicated settings required. Whether you're a professional sound engineer or a music lover, this cable will deliver an exceptional listening experience.
Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had.